how to disable guest browsing in Google Chrome. So if you want to disable guest browsing or if you want to disable the guest mode on Google Chrome, then what you need to do is first you need to simply go for your Windows and right click on it and then go for run. Open your run application, and once you open your run, now here you need to enter REGEDIT, which is Reddit, and then click on OK and click on yes. And from here you need to go for H key local machine, and once you choose that option you need to simply go for security and then simply go for software, and under your software you can simply scroll down and you will have policies option, and under your policies you will have Microsoft folder, right? So you will have policies option, right? Right click on your policies and then go for new and key, and then you need to add or rename the key. Simply rename it as Google. Once you've renamed, now you need to again right click on that Google and then click on new and then key, and here you need to enter Chrome. Once you've entered, and here you need to right click on the Chrome and then go for new, and here you need to go for this D word 32 bits. Click on that, and then you need to type browser guest mode enabled and simply click on it and give the value 0. Enter 0 and then click on OK and remove this, and now you need to restart your device. And once you restart your device, now your problem will be fixed, and that's how you can disable your guest browsing or guest mode in your Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.